Hey folks, I got something of a science experiment to show you guys today. So I've got a leaky valve cover gasket on my 4.0, among other things, and the engine is just basically covered in just grimy oil. So I want to degrease it before I take the valve cover off to replace the seal, because I don't want all that crud getting into the engine while I have it apart. Say hi! So I'm going to try to make engine degreaser. I looked up a recipe online and I'm going to try to mix it up and see how it works. So the formula I found online says to take 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1/4 cup of, it said natural soap. I don't know what the difference is between natural soap, but dish soap has an engine or has a degreasing element in it already, right? So I figured why not. Baking soda, see back there, I think a tablespoon of that, and lemon juice, a few drops. I'm going to put maybe up to a teaspoon in there, just because I like to be able to measure things. And then water. It doesn't say how much water. I assume just until it's at the consistency that you can put it in that spray bottle and spray it. So I'm going to mix this stuff together and see what I can do. I'm pretty sure baking soda and vinegar cause a reaction, so I don't know what's going to happen when I put the vinegar in here. We'll find out in a second. Here's my vinegar, partially mixed with soap. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it does. It's like the stuff you used to make your volcano in science class out of, right? I think if I pour it in slowly, it doesn't. What's going to happen when I mix it? Going to overflow all over my kitchen floor? Maybe. If I add some water first, maybe. Got a bubbly mess now. Okay, so what I have here is, you can see the liquid at the bottom and all this foam at the top. I think I have to let it settle, and I'm going to put it in this bottle. I think adding the water and the vinegar first might have been a better idea. So after I let it set for about 15 minutes or so, the foam has died down. I'm going to try to get it into there now. So, good luck, right? So here it is, my homemade degreaser. I think I may have put too much water in it, because it looks a little more diluted than I want, but I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. It may work great. We'll see. The green tint comes from the soap that I used. I think if you use a clear soap, it'll come out clear, because nothing else had any dye in it, except for the soap. The reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda was definitely problematic. I don't know how to fix that. I'm thinking maybe if you dilute the vinegar with the water before you mix them together, that might calm it down a bit. I don't know. I may try it again, or at least try that step again with some diluted vinegar and see what happens, because I have plenty of vinegar and plenty of baking soda to try it out with. I'm not going to make a whole new jug of this stuff just to test that, but I'm just curious at this point. So there it is. I will try this stuff out and report back. Okay, so moment of truth. This is the engine before I got started. I'm going to take a picture, and I'm going to try to get another picture at the same angle. But I'm going to spray this with the degreaser and simply try to rinse it. I'm not going to scrub it or anything. We're going to see how it looks before and after. Okay, so I've sprayed it maybe 5 minutes ago. Doesn't look much different because it's drying that quickly because it's so freaking hot out here. I'm gonna respray it, I think, and then rinse it. I used about that much of my degreaser, not even half the bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little more and then rinse it off good. So here it is after one rinse. I kind of rinsed everything, but I only sprayed the engine block and the valve cover. I rinsed the belt really well simply because I didn't want soap on it. And you see there's still some crud stuck to it. I'm gonna basically just spray it again with the degreaser and then spray it again with the hose. Now the hose isn't like a pressure washer or anything, it's just a hose with a sort of fan attachment, not attachment, but adjustment on the end of the nozzle. So that's all I did. With the pressure washer, this is probably all able to come off in one try. I'm gonna spray it all again and rinse it off again, see if the rest of this crud comes off. So you can see it there still. It's a lot better than it was. Well, here it is after the second rinse. See, there's still some crud on there. A third rinse might get it. I think I'm good enough for now. But maybe some scrubbing or a power washer. You can see even the fittings and stuff are all looking better. Part of that's just because I rinsed everything off, but I'm actually pretty happy with how the degreaser is working. Now, I don't know how this compares to a professional degreaser. It might be even better, I don't know. I don't own any. I may go out and buy some for the next time this is all gummed up just to see how it compares. But this is adequate for the, I don't know, 50 cents or whatever in all I spent for that bottle. So, yeah. And so there you have it, homemade engine degreaser. I had to get back inside out of the heat. It is hot outside today, folks, to record the end of this video. So, in the end, it looks like the degreaser worked. I don't know if it worked any better than if I had just sprayed it with dish soap or not, or any worse than if I had used a professional degreaser, but I can say that it worked, and it cost me very little to make that stuff. I think the most expensive part was the bottle itself. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you like my channel. Hit that subscribe button. You can support me via Patreon if you'd like to support me directly monetarily, or you can hit up my Teespring shop. There's a link in the description of this video for some cool t-shirts and other apparel that are off-road related and Jeep life. Hashtag Jeep life. Whatever. I'm too old for that crap. Anyway, I have t-shirts. They're cool. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.